Type your text. Make the text transparent. Open the Appearance panel. Create two fills. Give both a different color. Select the bottom fill. Click on the FX icon. Distort and transform. Transform. Make the horizontal and vertical scale 99.9%. Vertical move, 1 pixel. Increase the amount of copies to your liking. Click on the FX icon. Path. Offset path. Offset, 5 pixels. Joins, round. Duplicate this fill. Give the bottom fill the same color as the top fill. Select Offset Path. Make the offset 10 pixels. You can adjust the text while keeping the effect. And that's how you create this text effect.